Bhabanipur Vidhan Sabha Constituency, also spelt Bhawanipur or Bhowanipore, is an assembly constituency in Kolkata district in the Indian state of West Bengal. As per orders of the Delimitation Commission, number 159 Bhabanipur is composed of the following: Ward Nos. 63, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 77 and 82 of Kolkata Municipal Corporation. Bhabanipur is part of number 23 Kolkata Dakshin. The bypass to the Bhowanipore seat was necessitated after sitting MLA of Trinamool Congress Subrata Bakshi resigned to make way for the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to contest. She had not contested the State Assembly elections earlier. She had to become a member of the State Assembly within 6 months of her assuming office as Chief Minister, as per the rules of the Constitution of India. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.